Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for all things automotive, where we break down the latest, the boldest, and sometimes the most nostalgic rides on the road. If you love trucks with a blend of modern power and classic soul, you're going to love today's review. Buckle up as we take a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup truck, a machine that beautifully fuses retro design with cutting-edge innovation. At first glance, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage instantly commands attention. Dodge has gone all in on reviving the golden era of pickups with a design that throws it back to the rugged American trucks of the 70s and 80s. From the squared-off front grille to the boxy fenders, everything screams classic Americana. But make no mistake, this is no old-school relic under the hood. It's a full-blown modern-day powerhouse. The new Ram Vintage comes with two engine options, a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 and a 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. Both options deliver impressive torque and towing power, with the Hemi pushing out over 400 horsepower. Whether you're hauling loads or cruising the highway, this truck has more than enough muscle to get the job done, and look damn good while doing it. Inside the cabin, Dodge nails the balance between retro vibes and modern luxury. You'll find vintage-style knobs and trims mixed with a fully digital 12-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a heads-up display. The leather seats feature stitching patterns inspired by old-school bench seats, but with modern bolstering and comfort that'll keep you relaxed on long drives. It's a perfect example of how to do nostalgia without sacrificing today's tech. One of the coolest details is the exterior paint options. Dodge has brought back some legendary color schemes like Harvest Gold, Forest Green, and Patriot Blue, all with a satin matte finish that gives the truck a rugged yet refined look. Paired with the retro badging and white letter tires, this truck is basically a time machine with a turbocharger. On the road, the 2025 Ram Vintage delivers a surprisingly smooth and responsive drive. The suspension system has been tuned to handle both off-road terrain and city streets. Thanks to the optional air suspension, you can adjust ride height depending on your needs, whether you're crawling over rocks or backing into a tight parking spot. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The Ram Vintage includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a 360-degree camera, and rear cross traffic alert, proving that you can enjoy classic style with top-tier protection. All in all, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a tribute to the golden age of American pickups, rebuilt for today's roads. It's tough, stylish, smart, and incredibly fun to drive. Thanks for tuning into Ride Ready Reviews. If you're a fan of vintage trucks with modern muscle, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more epic rides coming your way. Stay ride ready.